Good morning. Hola. What up? I'm Kim, KYM. You're in my bathroom right now. In case you haven't been here before, welcome. I appreciate you being here, but I have a whole story for you, okay? So today's Sunday. It's totally against my religion to clean on the weekends. Like deep cleaning, I will like straighten up, but deep cleaning, it gets done throughout the week so I can spend my weekend watching Netflix, Prime, Hulu, catching up on shows. But there's this great thing called time change. It's called springing forward. Your girl is tired, okay? Even though I'm an early riser, I don't understand it. Make it make sense, because it doesn't make sense to me, but I'm tired. And so I didn't get some things done throughout the week. So now I'm spending my weekend cleaning. I'm not used to doing all of this in one day. I'm just not. And I'm tired. Did I mention that? Did I mention how tired I am from springing forward? Can we stop messing with time, please? I digress. Let's get started. We're going to start off with the shower, and I have already sprayed it down, which you can't see, but I also put some I don't think it's I think it's Ajax. I put some Ajax down. Everything else has been sprayed with vinegar, Dawn dish soap, alcohol, and water. It's called Kim's Magic Concoction, party people. This mirror has not been cleaned since 1972, and it needs cleaned. As does this mirror, and that mirror, and those two mirrors over there. Here lies my paper towels, because I don't like cleaning things with a cleaning cloth in the bathroom because there's just a lot of germs. So I go the paper towel version. The sink needs cleaned off. So does this sink. I wanted to say welcome again. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. And you know what? I want you to challenge yourself to wake up every single morning and say, today is a great day to have a great day. Because it is, and you're speaking it into your life. And that means the atmosphere, whatever you want to call it, is going to act off of what you're putting out there. Speak those things as though they are. Let me know how you're doing in the comments and what you're up to. Moisturizing, right? I'm at work one day. This girl pulls this lotion out, puts it on, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that smells amazing. I go and I buy this lotion, and then I probably should have read the ingredients first because I didn't. Y'all, don't buy this lotion. There's a lot of toxic things in here, okay? So if you are the one who puts like random lotions on your face, definitely don't do that, especially with this lotion. Use it for like, I don't know, just moisturizing your hands.
We can pretend that we're just friends, yeah, but who are we kidding? We can pretend that we feel nothing, but if you're game, I am willing to jump. Cause I've been thinking about crossing the line and just giving. Can I feel it the way I do? Cause I've been thinking about you all the time, can't get enough. I wanna make it with you. This time I'm gonna be true. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. Only you move me to the rhythm. We can pretend that we have changed, yeah, but who are we kidding? We can pretend.
Before you come on somebody's channel and say they're cleaning a clean house, do you see this? Looks are deceiving. I'm telling you, everything in my house is white. Paint is white. It looks clean, but it ain't. Okay? There are so many keyboard gangsters in this world, and they like to, make fun of people or bully people because their houses don't look a certain way. At the end of the day, it's your home. Do whatever you want in your home. You don't have to have rules. I don't have rules in decorating. I decorate in 2s. I know y'all be like, oh, do it in 3s and odd numbers. I don't care. If I like it in 2s, that's what I'm going to do. My challenge to you is to decorate your home the way you want to decorate it. Clean it if you want to. Don't clean it if you don't want to. But at the end of the day, just make sure you're thankful for the space that you have, because we are so blessed. A lot of people don't have homes that they can say, hey, this is my home. Normalize doing what makes you happy. That is not a selfish act, because the more happy you are, the better off your family will be. Cleaned off my toilet. I didn't do it on camera because some of you are really sensitive about toilets. Okay, so here's the deal. Toilet cleaning is a part of cleaning. At any rate, make sure you clean this part, all of that, back there, all of this. You don't want to stop there though. You want to come down to the sides and clean all of that at the bottom and all the sides, front, and then you want to clean the other side as well. The other thing you want to clean is the walls, because pee splashes, okay? You want to clean the floors. You want to clean the floors behind the toilet and the baseboards. And then when you clean the inside of the toilet, your toilet should be cleaned all over. So starting there, obviously, because you want to start at the top and work your way down. You want to clean the toilet seat. You want to lift it up. Start at the top and work your way down. You want to clean in between all of those gross parts right there, because pee gets stuck. Then you want to clean this part, the inside of the bowl. Once you put your cleaning device inside that bowl, do not clean the outside of the bowl with a cleaning device. I see a lot of people do that. That's disgusting, okay? Lots of germs, lots of bacteria. It is what it is. It's gross. If you want a tutorial, I got you. You let me know below in the comments. And by the way, clean your toilet off several times a week. It's kind of like taking a shower. You should take a shower daily. You should definitely clean your toilet more than 1 time per week. I'm sweaty and out of breath. Let's carry on. When I really hope you're cleaning along with me or jamming to the music. I feel it no more. No cold in my core. I'm gonna love me. Taking care of me. That fever is gone. My broom definitely needs to be cleaned. Let me know below in the comments if you clean your brooms off, or do you just go out and buy a whole new broom? Because you know what? That's probably what I'm gonna do. Taking care of me. When I look out, I see the sun. Be sure to disinfect that dustpan before you put it back into your closet. Old history, farewell mystery. Yeah, I was young, now I can see. They were brutal to me. Old history, farewell mystery. One of the quotes I read today says, "Life is way too short to be normal. Stay weird." Let me tell you, that resonated with your girl, okay? Because I have been called weird my entire life. And then one day my dad said, you know what? Just embrace that weirdness. And so I have. And now I'm much happier that I've embraced that I'm different. And you know what? It's okay to be different. I'm glad I'm different. I don't go with the norms, and neither should you. What makes us unique is we all have different personalities, we all have different ways of doing things, and why be ashamed of that? Let me know if that's relatable to you. There's nothing like a clean bathroom, okay? Everything is clean, except for the door. I gotta clean the door. I gotta make sure I do that. Here is the state of my bedroom. It's not bad. I'm not making the bed because I'm going to take a shower and get back in this good bed, okay? But I do have some clothes I need to put away, and I have to dust. Everything needs dusted in here.
You've always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? Oh, it's time to open your eyes and let go. You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go?
For some reason, this window is always more dusty than the other window, and I really don't even know why. So our house is set up like a townhouse. So our bedroom is above the garage, and we have an extra air unit in here because your girl be getting hot in the summertime, okay? So when that air unit is running, it's dusty, but like this is the winter time. Like I'm not even sure what's really going on, you know? I do live in a dust bucket, but I'm just definitely glad I got it cleaned off.
Side while you tumble way below the waves, undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go.
I was sitting here thinking about this disorder called avoidance. Okay, so I'm in my closet right now. If you've been here for a while, you know I have been saying for like, I don't know, 2 years that I need to clean out this closet. Well, I just avoid it. Like when I'm in the shower, I try not to look in the closet. I turn all the lights out, you know, all that great stuff. So eventually I'm going to get it done. It's on my to-do list for 2024. Okay. Now, don't be judging me because I'm avoiding my closet. I know that you have areas in your house that you don't like to clean and that you avoid as well. Leave them below in the comments. I just spilled out all my dirty laundry to you, so I need to hear, you know, what your avoidance issues are. If you don't like to wash your walls down, try dusting them once every 2 months because the more you dust them, the less you'll have to like wash them down. It took me about 7 hours to paint that wall. I got bored one day when my husband was out of town and he came home like, what in the world? And then it was so funny because every time he would go out of town, I would do something different to the house. So he would like make fun of me beforehand and say, I'm going out of town. I wonder what Kim's going to do to the house now. He didn't like really make fun of me. You know what I mean? If you don't have a sense of humor, you might not want to be here. But every time he was to leave, I did something, you know, crazy to the house or different or ripped something up or painted something just because I like to be creative when I'm bored.
I know it don't show, but I'm fine.
Do you see this right here? So we're missing a piece. This is from our daughter's bathroom. So now I found my receipt on my phone and I have to take this back. And I'm not very happy about it because that means I'm going to spend more money because it's at the at-home store.
There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood. Beating up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean, tomorrow is soon.
Vacuum lines are amazing. Okay, so I just wanted to point out this stuff does not belong here and I don't feel like taking it and putting it away, so I just put it in a corner. At any rate, again, I'm not making my bed. I'm about to take a shower and get in the bed, but the vacuum lines look great. There are certain areas of my home that I avoid. This is my laundry room. I don't come in here. I don't do laundry. But look how dirty it is. Like, can y'all at least clean the laundry room up for your girl? Remember I told you guys my drywall sucks? Here's a proven fact. All of this stuff was jacked up, so my husband just moved it up a little bit. Okay, so I don't do laundry. Why would you take my suggestions? Because you should, that's why. When you use these, just throw them in the washer. That way there's not a bunch of gunk that cakes up. What I did first is I just wiped everything with a dry cloth. Now I'm gonna wet a cloth, not the same one because this is very dusty, and I'm gonna wipe everything off. And of course, I'm using Kim's Magic Concoctions. So vinegar, hook your girl up. Don just showed Mrs. Meyer's method. Whatever the cleaner would be that wants to sponsor your girl, that I actually use the cleaner, I definitely would love a sponsorship. I keep putting that out in the atmosphere, and eventually, guess what? It's going to work out in my favor. When I tell you that I broke out in the worst sweat of my life, okay, not of my life, but it was really, really hot. Stick a fork in me, because your girl is done. I'm in here, I might as well wash my cleaning cloths so that I can wash these things because they're gross. I'm filming this just so everybody believes that I washed clothes today. Throw this in, throw this in. Right? Heavy? That's not heavy. How much stuff do you have? It's just a little bit of stuff. It's cleaning cloth, so hit start. Start. Ooh! 12 hours later. Okay, so 4. Here are the clothes that I washed, and I'm about to put them in the dryer. Check out how clean those are. Don't use a dryer sheet when you're washing cleaning cloths because it's not good for them. I'll let tip power. And then start, because I don't know. Hopefully that'll work. Thank you again for watching. Bye, guys.